So we're going to talk about section 3.1, the graphs of polynomials. First thing that we need to talk about formally is what a polynomial is, although I'm sure many of you have had some background with polynomials. Definition. A polynomial is a function of the form f of x is equal to a sub n x to the n plus a sub n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus dot 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 all the way down to a1 x to the first power plus a naught. So this is the formal definition of a polynomial, and if that looks crazy with all the notation, don't worry about it too much. You're not going to be dealing with any polynomials generically in this form. But what we are talking about here is a collection of powers of x, where these are known as the coefficients. Well, maybe not that last one. Hold on a second. These are the coefficients of x. This is actually known as the constant term. And we have coefficients times different powers of x plus possibly a constant term. Now, the domain of this function is all real numbers, negative infinity to infinity, always. There's no domain issues with polynomial functions. Now, as a quick example, I guess example 1, maybe f of x is equal to negative 5x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3. So here it has the following anatomy, right? The terms of the polynomial are negative 5x cubed, 2x squared, and 3 individually. This polynomial has 3 terms, and so you'll hear us refer to the terms of the polynomial. This particular polynomial is in descending order, so when we write polynomials, we often write them in descending order. That is to say, from left to right. The powers of x decrease. All right. The constant term here is 3. The coefficients in the order in which they appear are negative 5, 2, negative 5 and 2. And then let's see, this is going to be important for us today. The leading term is negative 5x cubed. This is the term with the highest power of x. And then here, the degree of a polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is 3. This is the highest occurring power of the polynomial in its general form. So what we're referring to here when we talk about degree is that highest power of x. So those are some basics about just the bits and pieces of polynomials.